today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your driving city or location in the Uber Help Center. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to help.uber.com. This is Uber's official support website, and using the Help Center is the best way to make sure your request is sent through the proper channel. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site and that everything is displaying normally before moving ahead. From there, look for the section labeled Driving and Delivering. This area is specifically designed for drivers and delivery partners, so it's where you'll find account support options related to your work profile. Click into that section and then navigate to Account and Profile. This category contains settings and support forms connected to personal account details, profile updates, and location-based changes. After that, find the specialized form called Change My Driving City or Location. This is the form Uber uses when you want to request an update to the city or area where you plan to drive or deliver. Open that form carefully and make sure you are choosing the correct option, since selecting the right form helps avoid delays and makes it more likely that your request will be reviewed correctly. Once the form is open, type your target 2026 destination city path data into the requested field. Be sure to enter the information exactly as needed and review it before sending. Accuracy matters here because this location data helps determine whether your account can be aligned with the destination area you want to operate in. If the form asks for specific location details, enter them clearly and consistently so the request is easier to process. When everything looks correct, click Submit. This sends your request and triggers Uber's localized delivery profile compliance checks. In simple terms, the system will review your profile against the requirements for that destination location. Depending on the area, that can include local eligibility rules, account readiness, or region-specific operating requirements. After submitting, it's a good idea to watch for follow-up updates in your account or email linked to the platform, since additional instructions may sometimes be provided. And that's it. By following this process through the official Help Center, you can request